How's it going? Welcome back to my channel, and basically today we're just gonna keep in touch basis on what Canon rumors just came out with in regards to the Canon R5C. My name is Alex, and let's go ahead and just dive into what already quickly they have stated on their webpage. Currently, they're stating that they're reassuring us that there are no health and safety issues with the camera. However, we want to ensure that the product is of high standards from a quality perspective. So currently, they were supposed to be starting shipping off the R5C sometime in April, or last couple of weeks of March here. And so, with that being said, I'm just hoping to get that camera as soon as possible here, guys, so I can go ahead and review it, have it in my hands, and just test it out for you guys. But it looks like there's going to be a delay of the Canon R5C according to what the statement is stating. So at this moment, I don't have any other way of like saying that, I hope they get it right. But all joking aside here, this is similar to what right now the R3 is going through because of chip shortage. And I'm assuming that is the same scenario with when it comes to the R5C. But if there is some sort of manufacturing fault that they just caught, I'd rather wait for it for a real good production rather than having a defective camera or cinema camera in my hands and not able to record very well or use it properly as it's supposed to be. So that in that case, I want to make sure that I'm able to have a camera that actually is full on production, right, for my wedding videos. And so today also Canon released a firmware update for the Canon R5 and R6, which is the 1.5.2 on their website. So if you have not upgraded that firmware version, I would suggest you highly do. It just enhances a lot of autofocus when it comes to movie subjects and so forth. So there's some enhancements there. I keep hearing now that there's a lot of cameras freezing on 1.5.1. So I'm not sure about that, but overall, I upgraded already on the R6 that I'm currently filming right now. And yeah, I have not experienced anything about autofocus, or I'm sorry, my camera freezing. However, I started to notice with my version 1.5.1 that when I have a subject in focus, it's almost like my lens is kind of struggling a little bit to keep it in focus, even though they are in focus, but the bokeh in the background kind of like flickers. So I tried it with this new firmware version, see if it it fixes that kind of like not flicker, but also just like pumping out the bokeh, and it just kind of looks kind of bad on my videos. And so I was able to test that out, but I was not able to find anything. So I did the same test with my kids, and so we tried the autofocus, and so with the lens and everything with the new firmware, and no issues whatsoever I was able to find or replicate. So hoping, crossing my fingers that that's it. But other than that, I hope it also hopefully fixes that freezes of the problem with these cameras. But that's it. That's all the news I have for today. So, but I'm gonna update you guys on more videos, and because I'm waiting for that R5C, I really am. So again, my name is Alex, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.